Homeowners in Tuscaloosa are increasingly prioritizing energy efficiency when upgrading their properties, and doors play a bigger role in that effort than many realize. While insulation, windows, and HVAC systems often get the spotlight, energy-efficient doors can dramatically improve indoor comfort and lower energy costs year-round. Here's how upgrading your doors can make your Tuscaloosa home more comfortable, sustainable, and budget-friendly. Understanding energy-efficient doors. Energy-efficient doors are designed to minimize the transfer of heat between the inside and outside of your home. In Tuscaloosa's humid subtropical climate, where summers are hot and winters can be surprisingly cool, these doors help maintain consistent indoor temperatures. They're typically made from high-performance materials like fiberglass, steel with insulated cores, or wood composites equipped with thermal breaks and advanced weather stripping. Unlike traditional doors that may allow drafts or leaks, energy-efficient models are built to seal tightly, preventing conditioned air from escaping. Many are ENERGY STAR certified, meaning they meet or exceed strict guidelines set by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency for energy performance. Comfort all year long. Tuscaloosa residents know the discomfort of steamy summers and chilly winter nights. An energy-efficient door helps regulate indoor temperatures by keeping heat out during the summer and trapping warmth in during the winter. This consistent climate control not only makes your home more comfortable but also reduces strain on your heating and cooling systems. For example, fiberglass doors with insulated foam cores provide excellent thermal resistance, keeping your entryway area from becoming a hot zone in July or a cold spot in January. This balance contributes to a more comfortable home environment, especially in rooms near exterior doors. Lower energy bills and bigger savings. One of the most tangible benefits of installing energy-efficient doors is reduced energy consumption. By limiting heat loss and gain, your HVAC system doesn't have to work as hard to maintain your desired indoor temperature. This translates directly to lower monthly energy bills, savings that can add up significantly over the years. The Department of Energy estimates that upgrading to energy-efficient exterior doors can reduce energy costs by up to 10% annually. In a city like Tuscaloosa, where air conditioners run frequently through long, humid summers, this can make a noticeable difference. Over time, the savings often offset the initial investment in higher quality materials and installation. Enhanced home value and curb appeal. Energy efficiency isn't just about utility bills, it's also a selling point for modern homebuyers. Tuscaloosa's housing market increasingly rewards sustainable and efficient home features. Installing an energy-efficient door can improve your home's resale value while enhancing curb appeal with stylish finishes, colors, and designs. Modern fiberglass and steel doors come in an array of styles that mimic the look of natural wood without the maintenance. With features like decorative glass inserts, side lights, and custom finishes, you can combine aesthetic appeal with high performance, proving that efficiency doesn't have to come at the cost of beauty. Reducing environmental impact. Every improvement toward energy efficiency contributes to a more sustainable community. By reducing your household's energy consumption, you're decreasing the demand on Tuscaloosa's power grid and lowering your carbon footprint. Many modern doors are also made from eco-friendly or recyclable materials, further reducing environmental impact. When paired with other energy-saving upgrades, like insulated windows or smart thermostats, energy-efficient doors help create a greener home that supports both environmental responsibility and long-term cost savings. Professional installation matters. To maximize the benefits of your energy-efficient door, proper installation is key. Even the most advanced door won't perform well if it's poorly fitted or improperly sealed. Tuscaloosa homeowners should work with certified local installers who understand regional climate conditions and building standards. Professional installation ensures that weather stripping, framing, and alignment are all optimized for airtight performance. Conclusion: energy-efficient doors are one of the smartest investments Tuscaloosa homeowners can make. They improve comfort, reduce utility costs, enhance home value, and promote sustainability, all while adding style to your property. Whether you're building a new home or updating an older one, choosing the right energy-efficient door can make your living space more enjoyable and environmentally responsible for years to come.